Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to CAD 134 and our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so this week we're going to be working on Module 5. I've released Module 5. Our learning objectives are to be able to measure distance and angles, radius and arcs of a circle, obtain information about an object, be able to use the fillet command, copy, rotate, mirror objects, and work with the array commands. We have the lecture for the videos set up in lab number 5. And then lab number 5 is a conference room drawing. And so in lab number 5, you will detail and draw this conference room. It's 24 feet by 16 feet. And then it has a small table and a large conference room table with these two doors. 5B is to do the details for the door geometry. And then there's a bonus drawing of this furniture, creating an office chair. Last week's Zoom meeting information is located right here in the main splash page, working on the hotel suite tutorial in which we do the geometry for the outline of the walls. We have the YouTube video for that as well. And then as we look at the outline of topics, chapter 4 is due for the hotel suite on the 24th of September, which would be Sunday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any difficulty, you can always request help. Just use the D2L envelope to email Elle and I. Moving into the content section, here's our Module 5. And it's the same information that we just talked about, where we'll create the conference room and then the bonus drawing of the chair. Here's the video lecture, and then here's the lecture for the conference room drawing. And so the video lecture goes through the chapter exercise. I realize the text is a little bit small, but it allows us to have that textbook information on the screen. And essentially we go through how to use these different analysis commands, working with these fillet commands, and all the construction techniques that we would be able to go through as we pick up our basic general design skills. All right, back to the D2L, back to Module 5. And then here's the conference room video tutorial. And so as we go through, this information goes and covers how to create the video exercise of the conference room. Again, we're using a lot of the same commands like offset and trim, using our architectural title block. And then I added the dimensions and shown some basic procedures. Alrighty, back to the D2L, Module 5. Things are going well. Everybody's getting their work done. We've been turning around the information for student feedback. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to get a hold of us. Just send us an email and we can set up either a virtual or in-person meeting. With that, I'm going to stop the recording and post it and open things up for questions. This ends our Zoom classroom recording.